Here at Washington County Community College, we offer different pathways so that you can custom tailor whatever you would like for your education. We offer automotive technology, engine specialist, welding, heavy equipment operation, heavy equipment maintenance, and PowerSports and small engine equipment repair. We offer certificate programs, which are typically 1 year of coursework. And we also offer associate's degrees, which would combine 2 of the certificates. Job opportunities that we have our students go out into the field and work are typical of working in dealerships and independent shops. There's a ton of work out there for a good service mechanic and good service technician. We work with that with any and all the employers in the area, and as well as statewide. Some of our students migrate over, like I said, into the heavy equipment section. They'll work in those types of shops. We'll also have people working in parts stores or service writers. The possibilities are limitless. And once you have a great background in mechanical technology, you can pretty much take it wherever you'd like.
You can come in with no knowledge of a vehicle whatsoever, and you'll leave and you can feel confident.
I came here with no experience. Prior to this, I helped my father in a separate trade and came down here to take this. And I'm confident that I can go out to work having entered this with no experience whatsoever. The automotive instructor, Ron O'Brien, I mean, he's owned his own shop. He went through this program. There's nothing that I've asked him that he hasn't been able to find an answer for. There's no better people to learn from than the instructors we have here.
The knowledge and everything's right there. We can pretty much tackle just about anything.
So I feel confident that normal, mundane problems a car has all the way to when you have something real weird going on, I could probably nail it down and figure it out. At some point, I'd like to go out and open my own shop. And I feel like after getting some experience in the field and everything I've learned here, I'll definitely be able to do that. The instructors here are great. Everything we have here is state of the art. They don't teach you how to fix cars, they teach you how things work.
I basically turned a hobby of mine that I want to do into a career. They set you up to where when you leave here, you're employable.
Here at Washington County Community College, our program is certified by the ASE Education Foundation. That's Automotive Service Excellence. We're fully certified for that. We worked with that curriculum. It's a nationwide curriculum to make sure the task and the competencies that you complete meet national standard. We also do the testing at the end. We are an ASE test facility at our campus, so you can actually walk away with those certifications. Embedded in the program, we also work with AC Delco, General Motors, to work with some of those certifications so that you could walk right into a GM dealership with those certifications in hand.
My name is Captain Rob Gordon. I'm an admissions counselor at the Washington County Community College. Our tuition rate is actually the cheapest in New England. I believe about 90% of our students receive some form of financial aid. We do have housing on our campus. We're one of the 5 campuses out of the community colleges that have housing. Ours is pretty unique. All of our housing on campus are 3-bedroom apartments. So Res Life has a lot of things going on campus for students to do. But the big thing for our campus in this area is the outdoors. We really encourage our students to get out and take advantage of the outdoors. We have a wildlife refuge right out back of the dorm. We have an outdoor adventure center on campus, so students can go into that and sign out for the good weather, canoes, kayaks, stand-up paddle boards, camping gear like tents and sleeping bags and cooking gear and stuff. Mountain bikes, they can sign out. Our classes here are very small. We're a small college, so we only have, most of the time about 400 students. And most of your classes you run into are going to be 10 to 15. So small college. I mean, that's what I loved about it when I went here. It's the reason why I chose WCCC, is because I wasn't looking for a giant campus. One of the biggest things, Washington County Community College get voted as one of the best community colleges in the nation. And the reason why is because we have a high graduation rate. We have very dedicated instructors and staff and everything, but the support services here are major. We have what we call the study center, and our TRIO program is housed inside the study center that has tutors in it during the week. Our little motto around here is, if you walk in our doors, you should walk out with that piece of paper saying you graduated, because everything is here. We all want to help. So if you start struggling with anything, you just got to step up and say, I need a little help, and we're right there to help you.
The uniqueness of this program is If you're not sure, you can come and kind of give it a test drive for the year and see how it works out. You're not totally committed to locking into the 2-year. We do, however, recommend that so you can get a complete education, but you can at least come in, gather some skills, bone up on some skills. Maybe if you've been out in the field for a while and you'd like to increase your knowledge, we can certainly offer that. We do a lot of hands-on. You're 20 hours minimum a week with your instructors in each one of these programs. That's unique. Being a small class size, you get a lot of one-on-one attention, and that's usually very well received by most of our students. They come, they're not sure, but next thing you know, they're signing up for the 2nd year and sometimes even the 3rd year. So our stackable certificate piece that you can build into a degree if you so choose works really well, and you can walk away from Washington County Community College with a great mechanical education.